it out, everybody. We out here, about ready to go to Beamer Fest. My boy Richard here. We got some of the nice brown water. We got the Evo over there. Got the 3 Series and the Q60 here, all boosting.
Choices you made, did you make them up? All the choices you made, did you make them up?
I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the car today. For those of you who don't know it, basically this is a 328i, currently supercharged. This has been a project I've had for many years. It's finally where I think I like it. I'm rocking the M3 replica bumper, made for the 4-door, so it fits really good. Also have a custom aluminum splitter that I wrapped in carbon fiber. I made it myself. I got the splitter rods. The outside here, we have XXR wheels. I believe they're 526s, 18-inch by 9-inch. And we have brand new rubber on it. Just put it on today. These are the Federals 595s. But it's a 235/40 R18, obviously. On the sides, we have my own side skirt extensions, also made of aluminum with a carbon fiber wrap on them. They look really good. The interior is also wrapped in carbon fiber, but that's a different video. If you see the rear bumper, we have a aluminum diffuser that I built myself also. The lights are smoked out. We're also rocking a CSL carbon fiber trunk made for the 4-door, so it fits pretty good. I painted the lip to color match the car, just where it comes up right there and wraps around. And that's pretty much for the exterior. This car was painted about a year ago. Still looking pretty good. We're gonna buff it out today. So that's the exterior video. I'm gonna post a video on the engine. So for those of you who want to know what's under the car, not under the hood, is polyurethane suspension. Basically, if you know the E46, this rear end will crack on you and can become pretty bad and start to almost fall off. Some cars are worse than others. Mine, when I found it, luckily had just a couple cracks, so I put a reinforcement kit that I made myself. I'm a welder. I was able to get the steel materials no problem, weld them in, and reinforce it. And then I put polyurethane bushings on the subframe, the RevShift brand. So shout out to RevShift. So it's got polyurethane on the subframe. It's got polyurethane on the differential. I got those from ECS Tuning. And then it's got polyurethane front control arms bushings, and also have polyurethane rear trailing arms, polyurethane driveline bushing, and then I have the polyurethane transmission bushings. So pretty much the full suspension's been reinforced. Not a lot of rubber under there anymore besides the wheels, and the rear axle has been welded, so it's a welded diff. Other thing I have is pretty much, if you know the engine setup, I got headers, 3-inch pipe out to a MagnaFlow exhaust. This MagnaFlow right here is given to me by a friend of mine. Been with the car for a long time. I really like the tone of it, so all I've done is open it up a little more by adding a 3-inch straight pipe to it. And that pretty much is the exterior of this car. And the bottom suspension, so it's set up for track or drift, especially drift with the welded diff. But right now we're gonna run the supercharger and try to enjoy it, not beat on it too hard, just feel it out. Also, for supercharging, I had also added a AEM air fuel ratio gauge, which has been great and helpful for the tuning. And I think this car is finally ready to be on the road and be enjoyed. So thanks for checking it out. Keep coming back. Follow up, subscribe. Let me know what you think about it, what you don't like about it. But I think this is a beautiful car. There's not too many things to hate about it. You guys have a good day. Bye.
Next thing we're going to be installing today actually came from a subscriber. So a huge shout out to Louis328i on Instagram from Fontana Performance. He actually made this awesome aluminum coil pack cover. I asked for one raw so that we could kind of custom make it fit for exactly my application. That's going to cover up all the coil packs.
Everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.